Anay Thorat. I study in class 8th at S Academy CBSE School, Aurangabad, Maharashtra. So this is my robotics project. I have made an electronic voting machine using Arduino. So let's get right to it. So this is my Arduino project, that is electronic voting machine. So here you can see scrolling text. It's like electronic voting machine. So that's the first thing. And then these are the 4 buttons for voting. So actually here there are 3 candidates, that is party A, party B and party C. So this here it is written in very small letters. Button 1, this is for party A, button 2 is for party B and button 3 is for party C. And this 4th button here is for submitting the results, that is ending the election and counting. So let's start our voting. Let's give some votes to these parties randomly. The buzzer rings and LEDs light when I vote. Okay, that's enough. Now let's end it. Then you can see on my LCD results. A3, oh, all the parties got equal votes. So let's see what happens. Oh, it's time for a re-election. Yeah, this is what happens when all the parties get equal votes. Now, next conditions that one party gets more than other 2. So let's give. So that's the other condition. Let's see results. A has got 5, C has got 1, B has got 1. So winner should be party A, of course. Let's see. The winner is party A. Yeah. And there is one more condition which could arise, is that 2 parties got equal votes, but the third party got less votes than them. Let's see what happens then. So here results. I have given 3 votes to A and C, but B has only 1. So winner should be A and C. Both of them should be the winner, right? So the winner is party A and C. Yay! So that's my voting machine. Thank you.